Yeah, record.
Okay.
Now let me get into a position. I'm recording now.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mike, and I want to show you how we do our window cleaning and what we take whenever we go on a job. Anyway, in our bucket, we have all our tools here, and I want to show you what we have. Okay. First of all, it's our scrubber. Take our scrubber and we wet it first, and then we either spray the window or spray the scrubber or both. Now, in our spray bottle, and you can see this is a high quality that's adjustable. You can adjust the spray to a fine spray or to a stream if you wanted to get up high where you can't reach. The stream will get it up there. So what we put in our spray bottle, we use 50% vinegar and 50% water and a quarter of a cup of soap per gallon. A gallon will fill this 2 or 3 times, so do not use too much soap. So after we scrub the window, then we have various squeegees. Here's our long one for big windows, and here's one I use most of the time. And what I like about this one is it swivels, and so I can, if I have to reach around a bush, I can reach up, use our extender if it's up too high. If that's not high enough, I can extend that. And we have longer poles for 2-story, and I'll get to that in a little bit. But anyway, generally if we're working overhead, we pull straight down, and then we do the detailing if there's any streaks or around the edges and corners. And I'll show you how we do that in a minute also. Okay, here we have a paintbrush. This one is bent, makes it easy, nice long handle. Doesn't have to be this big or anything. But this cleans out the rails of the windows. You want to do this while it's dry, get all the dust out of the railing there. And here's another squeegee for smaller windows. Then we have our brush for screens. We brush one direction, then we brush the other direction. Do the same thing on the other side of the screen. Generally, that'll take care of it. Sometimes we have to go into more detail and use a pressure washer or a hose. And we have a screwdriver. See this one. This one is a good one for removing screens from the outside. We don't have to go in the house. It's nice and thin, and it can get in there and remove the screens. Then we have a scraper, a razor scraper that we don't usually keep in the bucket, but we keep it handy. And steel wool, very fine steel wool. And this is my secret weapon, this little, I guess it's about a 4-inch, 5-inch maybe, squeegee. And this is especially good for round windows. The half moon type that's above the door, first do around the window like this. Go all around the outside, then use the regular squeegee. But it's very hard using a big squeegee to do those round corners. But here's where my secret weapon comes in handy. For using a pole and you can't reach the upper part of the window, put our little squeegee on there, we throw a rag over it, and we can do our detailing like this. Any streaks or any edges, we can do very quick and easy by using this extension. And this especially applies to when we're doing windows on the second floor. We can do windows on the second floor without using a ladder or without using a water-fed pole, which is very expensive, and the water is very expensive. So over here, here's our long pole. It extends 3 times this length. It's a double. Loosen it up, extend. Loosen this up. Extend again. You can see running along both can see it extends fairly long. And with this we can reach pretty much any second story window. We don't do 3 stories, so we don't have to worry about that. But with this, it has a locking piece, and works real good with the squeegees. You lock that in place, and I can do the detailing again from the ground by using this pole and just simply throwing a rag over there. Anyway, that's what we do. Oh, for the, almost forgot. This is especially good for upstairs, second story, because on one side you have the scrubber, the other side you have the squeegee. It's especially good on hot summer days, because if you have to bring it down, change the end, by the time you're back up there, it's dry. With this, I scrub it, and just twist, turn it over, and then squeegee. Very quick and easy. Anyway, that wraps up our video for today.